Okay guys, we're gonna check this spray if it's clean. This yellow headlights like this, I used it on my previous car. It cleaned it really well, but you can see this is Range Rover. This is original color of what the headlight was looking like, and this is what's after the sun damage many years. Okay, let's do this. Just take this one, spray. Okay, we gotta wait 10 seconds. And wipe it with a towel. Damn! This is cleaning. Wow, look at this dirt. Wow, it really works. Okay, here's what it looks like. Damn, bro. And this is what it looks like on the other side. Much better. Much better. Okay guys, this is just a mosquito repellent. I think you can use any mosquito repellent to spray and try to clean your headlights. Good luck.